What's up, people? Today we're going to be checking out some smart LED light panels that I found on Amazon right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. So these are some LED light panels I found on Amazon. They're comparable to the NanoLeaf LED light panels that you've seen a lot of YouTubers using, but they come at a fraction of the cost. So let's get into the box. Alright, so this is like the size of one of them. They seem like they actually made pretty well. Really lightweight. So it comes with, I believe, 8 of these. Or 9, let me check. So that's 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9. So it comes with 9 of these panels. You got your power adapter. Let's see what we got in the box. Alright, so this looks like some type of module with your power. See if you can see that. It has your power, has a music symbol, looks like a headphone jack, a S and an M, what that means, I don't know yet. And that's it for the box. So I literally have no idea how to hook this up, but we're gonna figure this out together. So it comes with these bootleg 3M strips. This is how you stick it to the wall. This little chips which you use to connect each panel to each other. Let me see how flexible these is, because I had an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but let me see how flexible these are. Okay, so they're actually pretty flexible. So what I was gonna try to do, I'm gonna put these panels like right here, but I think it's too many just fit in the spot, so I want to try to bend it around the corner. So I think I'll be able to do that with this. And this is the one for the adapter, so this is what feeds it power. And this is the controller. So let's get to setting it up. I'm gonna try to put it right up in this area somewhere. So let's get to it. Alright, so I got it all plugged up. Let's hit one of these buttons and see what happens. Let me turn down the exposure on the camera so you can see it a little better. Actually, let me just turn the lights off. Alexa, turn off studio lights.
Okay.
That didn't really help at all. But let me adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, so I know you can't see me, but you should be able to see the colors a little bit better. And actually, it looks pretty good. If I did have one complaint, I wish that the whole panel would change colors. If you can tell, there's like a little slim bezel around each panel that's not illuminated, which is giving you that line between each shape. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and install an app and see what type of cool stuff we can do with the app. Alright, so in order to get the app, it's giving me this QR code. I'm gonna go ahead and download this QR code. Oh, so now that I have it set up, I'm gonna go through that app and show you some of the stuff it can do. So I'm guessing this is just like different presets. Really nothing too exciting so far. Just your white levels. It's pretty basic functions really. What I don't see is the ability to change each individual panel, unless I'm missing something. And I also see you can use Alexa or Google Assistant in order to control this, but I'm pretty sure it's just the same basic functions of turning it on and off and changing the colors. But like I said, I don't see where you can individually change each panel. Yes, I'm seeing pretty basic functionality on this. I'm gonna play some music to show you how it works when it plays with the music. So my final impressions on this is it's pretty cool, but it's lacking a lot of features. I probably would recommend you just spending a couple extra dollars and getting a NanoLeafs. They do have a lot of extra features that this doesn't have. Like, I think you can control each individual panel on a NanoLeaf. On this one, it doesn't give you that option. You can just either set it up to randomize the colors, or every panel will be the same color. So if that's not something that you're really worried about and you fine with having everything the same color, then this will be good for you. If this is something that you would be interested in, I'll leave the link down in the description. Also, I'll have the link down for the actual NanoLeaf, which is a little bit more expensive, but like I said, it has a little bit more features. So that's going to be the end of this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions about anything I covered in this video, drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. Alright, until the next time, peace out.